You think you know your Malaysians. Here we have something very unique for you to see. We have a client who has his own plane, and he parks it at the back of his house at this very lake, at Lake Belva, Puchong. So come have a look at our latest design. It's a bungalow, colonial style building, and it is something that you want to see. Come. The client originally took opportunity to buy this land. It's very, very unique and it has a lot of land area. We created this kind of like outdoor living space area, which has a sub-level on the bottom part. So that is a secondary space for the client to enjoy the lake. We also have extended the car porch that can fit up to 5 cars, and we have a mini garden area at the back. So let's enter this unique family home. From the entrance here, you can already tell the western feel of this house. We really made it quite unique for the client and memorable for the guests to come in. The flooring pattern is a mix of mosaics and also tiles. And we have a chandelier up there and a very, very iconic lantern with this arch design. So our client is a family of 4 kids and he likes to travel. He also likes Western homes, but he also likes to collect a lot of vintage items. So we wanted to make this living room look very special, and the iconic look for a Western home is of course a fireplace, but in Malaysia of course we couldn't have an actual one, but we made it custom made and designed so that it can accommodate a TV and also a family home theater console at the bottom. And it has this faux marble. So the furnishing here is quite classical, but we try to blend it in terms of color, tones, and also some of the elements so that it can blend in with the rest of the space, because not all of the design is pure classical, because the client loves a lot of stuff that is eclectic and also things that he collects while he's traveling, so we have to make it work for a lot of space, especially at the dining and also the kitchen area. So there's some elements of like wood and some zen, like things that he loves, and we just try to incorporate it to his family's needs. Like any family that loves and also put education first for their kids, there are some that has a musical talent. Here we have a Yamaha piano that matches all the other furnishing and is the first thing that you see when you enter from the entryway hallway, and it becomes the centerpiece of this space. The living area, dining, and also dry kitchen is one big open space planned area. So it's perfect for the whole family to interact with each other while there are these 3 different zones of places. And over here, this dry kitchen island is meant to seat up to 7 people at once. So it's perfect for entertainment and also for the family to have breakfast together. Here we are at the first floor level of the house, and after you arrive at the landing staircase, you will see this bookcase, which has all the children's books, but it has a secret. This room is a combination of 3 functions. It is an AV room, karaoke, music room because the client plays some electric guitar, and it's also a gaming room for the kids to enjoy. But there is another surprise from this room to the next. From the music and karaoke room, we have a private bathtub overlooking nature and natural sunlight. A very, very relaxing area for the client to enjoy without ever having to go to the spa. This space is actually an extension requested by the client. It overlooks a beautiful lake. It is a playroom for the kids to enjoy while also enjoying nature in their free time. So as a conclusion, this home has a lot of architectural, colonial and also Western elements, but we also try to make it as personable as the best possible way for the client to enjoy their own. So that is why we want it to be a home, so that it can be enjoyed by the family, not only for their kids, also for their kids in the future generations. So that concludes our renovation walkthrough and project for you today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow us at YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. I'll see you soon. Bye!